Hi dear students, my name is Irina and I teach people languages. I know English, German, Spanish, Italian, French, Russian, Portuguese, and I show people how with one and the same method you can learn any language in the world, travel around the world and speak to the people's soul. Today it's going to be all about Spanish. We are going to learn Spanish pronouns. Yay! Aren't you happy? I am super excited to teach you these small words like I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. We have singular pronouns and we have plural pronouns. Well, singular pronouns talk about singular person like I, you, he, she. Those are one singular person. We, you, they, okay, many people, plural form. Okay, let's start with Spanish singular pronouns. We are going to learn four: I, you, he, she. In the Spanish language, we do not have a neutral gender. Yay! It's going to be either a girl or a guy. Awesome! Okay, let's learn it. Yo. Yo means I. Yo. Say it. Yo. Good job. You will be tú. 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 Let's review both of them. Yo, tú, tú, yo, tú, tú, yo, tú, tú, yo. Okay, we got it. We remembered it. Okay, now we need to learn he, she. He will be él. 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 Make it soft L. Él. Él. Good job. I like it. You have a very good Spanish pronunciation. Look at you. Okay. And she will be ella. Ella. All right. Here I need to stop. We have double L. In different Hispanic countries, double L is pronounced differently. Sometimes people say ella, sometimes people say ella. I am going to teach you Castellano, Castilian Spanish, Spanish from Spain. So let's learn the real Spanish from Spain. And we say y when we see 2L. Ella, 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 él, ella. All right, now we need to review all four pronouns. Yo, tú, él, ella. Yo, tú, él, ella. One more time. Yo, tú, él, ella. To remember it better, let's do it vice versa. Ella, él, tú, yo. Ella, él, tú, yo. All right? Take a pen, take your paper, write it down so you know how to write them. And now we are moving on to plural pronouns. Okay. Nosotros, nosotras. Oh la la! Do we have two words? No. One is masculine and one is feminine. Or usually is a masculine form. Boys, guys, men. Means feminine. Okay, nosotros means we boys. Nosotras means we girls. Okay, what about if we are boys and girls together? So these are 17 girls and only one boy. Do we say nosotras and make that guy feminine? Or do we say nosotros and make all the girls masculine? Yep. You say the last one. Nosotros. Nosotros. You have 1,000,000 girls and only one boy and everybody will be masculine. We say nosotros if we see a company of boys and girls together. Yep. Nosotros, masculine or masculine and feminine, we. And nosotras, only us girls, we girls. The same goes with you, plural form. Vosotros, vosotros, vosotras. Let's do it one more time. vosotros, vosotras. The V, right? The V, it's a sound between V and B. Something when you want to say B, but you actually say V. B, 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 B. Vosotros, 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 vosotras, 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 vosotras. You will get it later. Today we are learning nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras. Let's repeat one more time. Nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras. They will be ellos, ellas. Again, ellos, they for just masculine or masculine and feminine. Ellas only for feminine. So let's do this exercise. Close your eyes. Nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, ellos, ellas. Let's do one more time. Try to see these words in your head. Okay? Try to see them. Nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, ellos, ellas. Vice versa. Ellos, ellas, vosotros, vosotras, nosotros, nosotras. It's very important to clearly pronounce O, A, because the gender depends on that. Nosotros. Look at my lips. Nosotros. Nosotras. Nosotras. Vosotros. Vosotras. Ellos. Ellas. All right. Now we need to review everything we learned today. Yo, tú, él, ella, nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, ellos, ellas. Woo-hoo. One more time. Let's do it one more time. Yo, tú, él, ella, nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, ellos, ellas. Okay, so what are we going to do with you, the polite form, when we talk to a teacher? Excuse me, could you help me? We have a specific word for that. Usted. Usted. You see that we see D in the end. But in the real speaking world, we don't say D. We say th, usted. Like three. Usted. Usted. The plural form for you, if you see many teachers and all of them you need to invite, you can come in, please. All of you, you make it plural. Ustedes. Ustedes. You, plural form. Basically, you can understand that the plural form is made by ES ending. All right. Usted, ustedes. Okay, close your eyes. Yo, tú, él, ella, nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, ellos, ellas, usted, ustedes. Let's do it one more time. Yo, tú, él, ella, nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, ellos, ellas, usted, ustedes. One more time. Yo, tú, él, ella, nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, ellos, ellas, usted, ustedes. Good job. Let's applaud ourselves. We did it. We did a great job. We learned all the pronouns. We are one step closer to our dream to speak Spanish and travel in Spain and talk to Spanish people and eat Spanish food and have no problems going to the cinema. All right, guys, we learned everything for today. My name is Irina. At our next class, we are going to talk about to be. Well, you can see the video right here. You can click on it and start learning. But also, I would like to tell you that I have a website where I have my books and I have my video courses and I have flashcards and copybooks. Everything you need to learn the language. I am your guru. My name is Irina Movsesian. I would like to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and find me on Instagram. I'm everywhere. Yeah, I am everywhere. So I would like you to be my friend. Okay, leave me a comment in the comment section below. I would like to know what you think. And very, very, very soon you're gonna think in Spanish. Alright, adios!